Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create an event on Facebook. First go to www.facebook.com. This will open your Facebook newsfeed if you are already logged into Facebook. Click menu 9 dot in the top right of Facebook. Then click event. Then click in person. Add a name for the event. Add a start date and start time. Then click the plus button and time link to add an end time. Then click privacy and choose who can see and join this event. Click next. Enter a location. Then click next. Enter description of the event in the description text box. Then upload a photo for your event. Click upload cover photo. Then click save. Event or draft rally page for upcoming parties or social gatherings to which you can invite other people on Facebook. Please like this video, subscribe our channel, press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.